Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing steak and baked potatoes. May take a little heat over this one, no pun intended. The potatoes are going to be done partially in the microwave, then wrapped in aluminum foil and finished on the grill. I know, but I'm running a little short on time, so having to step it up a notch here. So I'm going to go ahead and get the seasoning going. And on the steaks, we're going to use basically what we did in the last video. We'll change up a couple of things. But we'll be right back with you and show you how we're going to do these steak and potatoes. This is something I mixed up from ingredients you can pick up right out of the seasoning aisle at Food City or Walmart. There's nothing special about what's in this. It's just a certain mixture I put together. I've got plenty of salt, as you can tell, probably too much the way it looks to some, but when we put it on the grill, we'll clean some of that salt off. But for the time being, I'm going to go ahead and put this on there. Then I'm going to get my potatoes prepped, get them wrapped, and stick them in the microwave. Don't nobody get too tore up about that. But we're going to do microwave and then put them on the grill with the steaks. Saucepan, I'm going to get the sauce mixed up that I based them with, and we'll be right back with you. And while I didn't record the process, we did take and aerate the fool out of these potatoes. Poked it full of holes, rubbed them down in olive oil, nothing special, and covered them in salt and pepper. Now we are going to stick these things in the microwave for a few minutes, like I said a minute ago. I keep repeating that, but some people do this, some people prefer grill only, but I'm having to take a shortcut here. So we're going to put them in the microwave for a little while. We got the steaks sitting over here, soaking in all the seasonings, and we're going to get the stuff we're going to baste them with ready. So throw these in the microwave and we'll be back with you in a minute. And while we're waiting for the butter to melt and the taters to cook in the microwave, we got the Becker BK15 out. So you know stuff's fixing to get serious. Got the rod of cutting board out. It is time to chop up the garlic. Let's get it done. Well, the BK15 had his shot at the onion too, so there it is. We're going to use the onion on the side. They're not going on the steaks. My wife just asked me to chop up an onion to go with this, so there we are. Now I'm going to get back to this sauce. And I know I push this knife on every video that I do, but to me it's about the best darn kitchen knife you can get. I know there's high dollar stuff out there, but these Beckers are made out of 1095 high carbon steel. Great edge, they hold the edge great. You can do bushcraft with them, turn around and chop up a tomato. But when you use these knives in the kitchen, I immediately turn around and wash them and dry them good with a cloth. The 1095 high carbon steel, it does tend to rust if you don't care for it. Now, if these are just used out in the woods or for bushcraft or whatever, you can clean them out there. When I use my other knives, I put gun oil on them to keep them from rusting, but obviously you don't want, gun oil in your food. So I just wash this knife here and dry it and put it up till the next time. It gets used often enough, there's no rust on the blade, so I just wanted to pass that along. Let's get back to cooking. Okay folks, the potatoes have served their time in their microwave. I'm going to go ahead and get them wrapped up individually in this aluminum foil. And when we get out there on the grill, we're going to throw them on the top rack and let them finish. And I forgot to turn the stove on, so the sauce is taking a minute. We'll be right back. Alright, we got the grill head up. We got the taters on the top rack in aluminum foil with the butter on them. So they're doing their final stage, and I'm fixing to put the meat on the grill. We'll give it about 4 minutes per side and turn it. Then we'll flip it. We're going for 145 internal temperature. That's just way overdone for some people, I understand, but that's just where I ate it. In my last video, got several comments, but I can't take it any less than that. So we're going for 145. See what we can do here. All right, we've rotated them about 45 degrees. We're going for some grill marks on there just for show. Can't really do it too good with this grill. Those are cast iron grates, but still. I'm looking at a set of those grill grates probably in the future. We're going to give them about 3 minutes here, then we're going to flip them over. Alright, as you can see, we got an internal temp of 143 after it's rested, 144. Okay, after it's rested for a minute or two, so looks like we've stopped these right where we want them. A little too overdone for some people, but this is the way we like them. There's our taters, they're ready to go. So let's cut into one of these here in a minute and see what it looks like. All right, and there we have it. That is 145-degree internal temperature, which gets you medium to medium well. Just the way we like it. And that'll do it for the video today. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Feel free to comment. And as always, good day, God bless, and remember, if you can't eat more bacon, at least wrap what you're eating in bacon. Have a good day.